Did you know the man who saved millions of lives in World War II died thinking the world saw him as a criminal? Alan Turing cracked the impossible, the Enigma code that protected Nazi secrets. In 1940, while bombs fell on London, Turing worked in a hidden facility called Bletchley Park. The Enigma machine scrambled German messages into gibberish. Military experts said it couldn't be broken, but Turing built a mechanical brain that thought faster than any human. Day after day, it decoded Nazi communications. Suddenly, the Allies knew everything: where German submarines lurked, which cities would be bombed, secret battle plans. His breakthrough shortened the war by up to 4 years. Millions of lives saved, but it was so secret Turing couldn't tell anyone, not even after victory. In 1952, police discovered he was gay. They forced him to take drugs that destroyed his body. 2 years later, he was found dead, age 41. The world thought he was just another criminal. They had no idea he was one of their greatest heroes. The truth stayed buried for 20 more years.